Oi. Almost fell stepping on the lava rock. Not paying attention. Oi. Yeah, we got a little swell action today. Little. Not big. Ooh, got a little boat out there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me see if I can zoom in. You guys see it? Little boat chugging across the ocean. Yeah, man. Trying to zoom out. Not gonna do it. Oh, little bitty boat. He's got it in high gear. Oh, got some lenticulus clouds out there. Got some cumulus clouds. Ooh, that one might turn into a lenticulus. Pretty. Yep. You guys always know you go that way. 2,500 miles and you hit the mainland. I'm so much happier out here on an island in the middle of the ocean. Uh-oh, the boat slowed down. You need me to call 911? Uh-oh. He stopped. Don't get caught up in the swell out there, Homer. It's a long swim coming over here. He stopped. Huh. Hope he's okay. I'm gonna watch you for a couple of minutes. I'm not gonna video for a couple of minutes, but I'm gonna watch you. Alright guys, I'm gonna watch this boat for a little bit. You guys have a good day. Talk to you later.